Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 5th of July. But before we begin, quiz. Under whose chairmanship the International Financial Services Center Authority (IFSCA), whose headquarters is in Gandhinagar, constituted an expert committee on investment fund. So, who is the chairman of this committee? Which organization has launched a special GST refund disposal drive from 15th of May to 31st of May? Which stadium has been renamed as Olympian Balbir Singh Senior International Hockey Stadium? The Union Cabinet, chaired by PM Modi, has approved the opening of new Consulate General of India in which city of the Maldives? In which city of Maldives? NGT has constituted a panel on Mekadatu Dam construction violence. The dam is being constructed on which river? Who has won the men's single title at Lyon Open 2021? Who is the author of the book The Spiritual CEO? The Women and Child Development Minister has decided to set up one-stop center in how many countries to help Indian women facing violence abroad? Maharashtra government has appointed a committee under whose chairmanship to study Maratha quota judgment. Which small finance bank has launched I Choose My Number feature for all the customers across the India? So these were some of the quiz questions from the month of May, and let's discuss the answers. So who is the chairman of this committee, IFSCA? Nilesh Shah. Nilesh Shah. Which organization has launched a special GST refund? So this is Central Board of Indirect Taxes. Indirect Taxes and Customs. Which stadium has been renamed as Olympian Balbir Singh Senior International Hockey Stadium? So the stadium is Maholi Stadium. Maholi International Hockey Stadium, renamed to Balbir Singh Stadium. Union Cabinet, chaired by PM Modi, has approved a new consultant in Addu cities. In Addu city. National Green Tribunal has set up a panel under Mekadatu Dam for the construction on the Kaveri River Mekadatu Dam in the Kaveri River. Who has won the men's single title at Lyon Open? So this is Stefanos Tsitsipas. Stefanos Tsitsipas has won the men's single title at Lyon Open. Who is the author of the book The Spiritual CEO? This book has been written by Yash Prakash. Women and Child Development Minister has decided one-stop center in 9 countries. Maharashtra government has appointed committee under the chairmanship of Dilip Bhosle. I Choose My Number feature initiative has been launched by Jana Small Finance Bank. Which is based in Bangalore. So these were the current affairs, quiz, and let's start our today's current affairs. Donald Rumsfeld, who passed away recently, was a former defense secretary of which country? So he was the defense secretary of USA. He was the defense secretary of USA. If you talk about United States of America, who is the defense minister of USA? Defense minister is Lloyd Austin. Lloyd Austin is the defense minister. And remember one name, Vanita Gupta. Vanita Gupta. Who is she? She is the Associate Attorney General of USA. She is the Attorney General of United States of America. And remember one more name, and the name is Neera Tanden. Neera Tanden. Who is she? She is the advisor to President Joe Biden. Advisor to the President Joe Biden. And Joe Biden is the 46th President and the 49th Vice President. She is Indian origin, Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris. And the foreign minister, one more. Foreign minister of USA is Anthony Blinken. Anthony Blinken. And India do a military exercise with USA, and the name is Vajra Prahar. Vajra Prahar. And the 11th edition of Vajra Prahar took place in Himachal Pradesh. 11th edition of Vajra Prahar took place in Himachal Pradesh. So remember all these points about USA. Which organization has released a comprehensive study on not-for-profit hospital in India? So this is Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog has released a comprehensive study on not-for-profit. And if you talk about Niti Aayog, Niti Aayog has partnered with Piramal Foundation. Niti Aayog has partnered with Piramal Foundation for Surakshit Hum Surakshit Tum. Surakshit Hum Surakshit Tum Abhiyan. Surakshit Hum Surakshit Tum Abhiyan. And in Niti Aayog's Sustainable Development Goal Index, Kerala has topped in this index, and it was the 3rd edition. And Innovation Index, Niti Aayog's Innovation Index, in this Karnataka state has topped. And Niti Aayog has partnered with Tribal Affairs. Niti Aayog and TriFed, they both implemented a One Dhan scheme. And recently they have launched Poshan Gyan also. Poshan Gyan by Niti Aayog. And who is the president of, who is the chairman? Chairman is always the Prime Minister. Vice Chairman is Rajiv Kumar. And who is the CEO? His name is Amitabh Kant. Which bank has launched a initiative called Salam Dil Se to pay tribute to doctors? We celebrate the Doctors' Day on 1st of July. So Salam Dil Se has been launched by HDFC Bank. And if you talk about HDFC Bank, who is the CEO? CEO is Shashidhar Jagdishan. And Atanu Chakravarti is the part-time chairman. And recently they have launched स्मार्टअप उन्नति अभियान, स्मार्टअप उन्नति उन्नति अभियान for women entrepreneurs, for women entrepreneurs. And okay, so this much is enough. And HDFC headquartered is in Mumbai. And remember the CEO Shashidhar Jagdishan, who has become the new Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. So the 12th Chief Minister is Pushkar Singh Dhami. Pushkar Singh Dhami is the new Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. And if you talk about Uttarakhand, recently they have launched Vatsalya Yojana. Vatsalya Yojana by Uttarakhand. And R.S. Chauhan, Raghavendra Singh Chauhan is the Chief Justice. Is the Chief Justice of Uttarakhand High Court. And of course the capital is Dehradun. In Uttarakhand we have the Chota Char Dham. Chota Char Dham consists of Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath, Badrinath. Okay. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath. This is the Char Dham Yatra, which is in Dehradun in Uttarakhand. And India's first forest healing center was opened in Ranikhet. India's first forest healing center has been opened in Ranikhet. Who is the author of the book Policymakers General from New Delhi to Washington? From New Delhi to Washington. So this book has been written by Kaushik Basu. Kaushik Basu has written this book named Policymakers Journal from New Delhi to Washington. Who has taken charge as Director General of All India Radio? All India Radio. So this book has been written by N. Venudhar Reddy. N. Venudhar Reddy is the Director General of All India Radio. Of All India Radio. Next, who is the author of the book Nathuram Godse, The Story of Gandhiji's Assassination? So this book has been written by Dhaval Kulkarni. Dhaval Kulkarni has written this book, Nathuram Godse. Which small finance bank has partnered with Digital Lender Loan Tap to provide personal loans to salaried professionals? So this is Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank has partnered with Digital Lender Loan Tap to provide personal loans. And if you talk about Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, they have recently launched Garima Saving Account. And Equitas Small Finance Bank has launched an initiative called EVA. And Jana Small Finance Bank has launched an initiative called I Choose My Number. India has taken a target of creating additional 2.5 billion tons carbon sequestration by 2030. By 2030, that India has taken a target to create 2.5 billion tons of carbon sequestration. Who has been appointed US Charged Affair in India? US Charged Affair is, and his name is Atul Kashyap. Atul Kashyap has been appointed as the US Charged Affair in India. Who has won the title in Silver Lake Open Chess Tournament Open in Serbia? So this is Nehal Sarin. He has won the title Silver Lake chess tournament which was held in Serbia. And what is the capital of Serbia? Serbia's capital is Belgrade. Belgrade, and the currency is dinar. Currency is dinar. There is one tennis player named Novak Djokovic. He is from Serbia. Novak Djokovic is from Serbia, and he has won Australian Open and French Open. Australian Open and French Open. Remember this name. Abhimanyu Mishra has become the youngest chess player, and he is from USA. He is 12 years old. 12 years. Raj Kaushal, who passed away recently, was a renowned filmmaker. So he was a film director. Raj Kaushal passed away recently. SERB, Science and Engineering Research Board, has launched the first of its kind research initiative called Fund for Industrial Research Engagement, FIRE, in partnership with which organization, with which company? So this is Intel. This is Intel. So Science and Engineering Research Board has launched first of its kind initiative Fund for Industrial Research in partnership with Intel. In partnership with Intel. Wrestler Sumit Malik has been banned for how many years? By United World Wrestling for doping. So he has been banned for 2 years. For 2 years. And if we talk about United World Wrestling, its headquarters is in Switzerland. In Switzerland. In Switzerland. Okay. So these were the current affairs of 5th of July. See you on the 6th of July.